Opposition activist warns against unlawful 2030 bid. The 3rd of September 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent. Harare, a local opposition activist, has sounded alarm over remarks by local government minister Daniel Garwe, who suggested at a ZANU-PF meeting in Marandara that Zimbabwe would not hold elections until 2030. In a video clip that has since gone viral, Garwe is heard declaring there would be no elections before 2030. Comments critics say are aimed at paving the way for President Emerson Mnangagwa's extended stay in power. Former Citizens Coalition for Change, CCC, spokesperson Promise Mkwananzi said the remarks were unconstitutional and posed a serious threat to Zimbabwe's democratic framework. We have received a multitude of messages expressing alarm and concern regarding Mr. Garwe's statements, which seem to challenge the Constitution and advocate for its removal. Our stance remains consistent. Mr. Garwe lacks the authority to undermine the Constitution, and his statements are unlawful and a direct challenge to the rule of law. No individual possesses the power to cancel elections, Mkwananzi said. According to the Constitution, Zimbabwe is mandated to hold elections every 5 years. The next general elections are scheduled for 2028, following the disputed August 2023 polls that saw Mnangagwa secure a second and final term. Mkwananzi warned that any attempt to alter electoral timelines outside the constitutional framework would be illegal, unconstitutional, and should be disregarded and even resisted. Garwe, however, has in recent weeks been vocal in backing Mnangagwa's continued leadership beyond his current term. First, it was term limit extensions. Now no elections until 2030. Mnangagwa and his people are testing the waters. Some mock the statement, with one Facebook user joking, "Why stop at 2030? Just say elections will be held in heaven." A few supporters, however, defended Garwe's remarks, arguing continuity was necessary for development. One user said, "The president has projects that need stability. Elections disrupt progress. Let's give him until 2030. The controversy comes amid rising tensions over succession debates within ZANU-PF and growing calls from civil society for respect of constitutional order.